What's up guys? Welcome to Shoot First. Nico here with Wanits. And kakatapos lang ng Game 7. Minsan lang maging tama kami ni Wanits. So, alam mo masaya kami doon na tumama rin yung ano namin.
Alam mo
Yeah,
bro, dapat tumaya ako sa loto noon. Siguro mga tatlo, apat na mga shoot first ano natin. Bro, grabe. Tama ka. Hindi ako expert, chamba lang 'yon. Gut feel lang 'yun eh. Gut feel. Wala namang expert way to know na matatama mo talaga on the exact. I just had that gut feel na 4 points. Isipin mo kung tumaya ako sa loto, baka nanalo pa ako ng loto nung araw na 'yun, no?
dapat part na ng araw mo yun. Pag may laro sa PBA, may laro sa UAP. Di ba? Kailan mo tumaya eh.
Gut
Kasi
feel.
parang sign yun eh.
Tama, tama. But it's solid, solid. Pero shoutout ka lang. Alam mo, kanina naghahanap lang ako. Nakasando na ako eh. Naghahanap
Mm-mm.
lang ako, sabi ko mag-hoodie ako. Nabuhay yung pare, yung shoot first
Oh
hoodie
shit.
ko. Shoutout Hero Mindset. So,
Kailan
ako
pa yan?
iniisip ko nga eh.
2023?
This is
20...
3 years ago. Tagal na bro, pero buhay na buhay. Importante, sakto pa rin sa akin. So, hindi pa ako sobrang tumataba.
Parang never ka
Pero I
naman
think
tumaba.
I think it's a good time na ran lang. Wala lang, 'di ba? Balikan yung magagandang memories. And
Maganda
shout
nga yung
out to
design.
Hero. Shout out to
Mm.
Hero Mindset dahil ang tibay nung print, hindi pa
Mm.
nada-damage, hindi pa ano. So, what do you think of reviving some no? So some merch?
I don't
Meron ka
mind
bang
kasi
mga
wala pa akong merch eh. Yung mga merch ko pa lang one yung mga shorts, which are really
Oo,
nice by
oo,
the way.
tama,
I like
tama,
the
tama.
shorts pero wala pa akong
Binuhay
hoodie.
natin yung ano eh. Si ano yan? Si shout out to Gio. Shout out to
Si
Gio.
Hero Mindset ba yan? Geo of Hero Mindset
Yeah.
ba
Hindi,
yan?
hindi. Gio Evangelista dun sa
Ay,
shorts.
yeah, for our shorts. Yeah, yeah,
For
yeah,
the
yeah.
shorts, for the shorts. Pero sa hero mindset, wala lang. Medyo natuwa ako na nabuhay and could be a good time, no? Tanong natin si Bossing Mikey kung what he thinks of reviving some shoot first merch. I'm sure si Javi G dyan. Si Javi, sobrang loyal niyan. Kahit na mag-weights yan, papunta ng MPBL, pare lagi
Nakita ko
naka-shoot
nga yan.
first merch.
Nakikita ko
Lagi.
nga
So
yan.
ako na, dati rin nung nag-host kami, di ba? Pucha, ang i-interview namin, Gary David. Doon sa FIBA before, Gary
Oo.
David, Ronnie Del. Pucha, suot namin, shoot first, loud and proud.
Hindi kayo pinasuot
Tiba.
ng coat? Di ba nagko-coat kayo? I think or kay
Hindi,
Pau
hindi, hindi.
Gasol
Ano
yun.
yon? Kaila Pau Gasol, ano yun? Pau
Crazy
Gasol
ng
kami.
experience na yun, bro.
Yes, sir. Hindi. Also crazy. Bro, trending yung boses mo ngayon, bro.
Talaga, saan?
Dun
Alin?
sa shorts na nahihila pa baba.
Ako ba?
Actually, hindi ata napapansin ng tao, but yung anchor ng game na yon is Nico.
Yeah, ako yung
Okay,
gano'n
so
nun.
the anchor of that game, nagtitrending ngayon yung video na nahila yung shorts. Pucha bro, I was watching live. Tawang-tawa ako, hayop na yan.
You wanna know the behind the
Tawa-tawa
scenes
ako.
to that one?
Oo.
I had to mute. Kaya may nagka-ano, di ba? Parang nagka-small 5, 3, 4 second
Oo, parang natahimik ka eh.
quietness.
Parang
Kasi
natahimik ka eh.
sobrang natawa ako. Una kong ginawa, mute. Kasi yung both sides, tawa ng tawa yung mga tita, tumatawa lahat
Oo nga,
na
eh,
alam mo yun.
naririnig nga. Rinig na rinig sa ano. Rinig na
Rinig
rinig
yun,
sa...
'di ba? Sa iba yung ibang receiver yun, hindi yun sa akin. So sabi ko, teka lang, kailangan ko na magsalita. Nag-iisip ako para magmukhang professional. And I think the foot of Adili got stuck in the
Hindi kasi
kamay
you
pala
don't
ni
know.
Sahon niya.
You don't know kung paano mo i-approach eh.
Ang bilis. I
Di
don't
ba?
know
Kung
how to
gusto mo ba
approach it.
i-highlight? Gusto mo bang matawa? Gusto mo bang... Hindi mo alam yung crowd
I
eh. Hindi
can't
mo
laugh.
alam
I
yung
can't
crowd
laugh.
eh.
Alam kong medyo unprofessional to laugh. Like, in that moment, sabi ko, mute. Tawa ako. Pero, syempre, nag-mute ako. And then, okay, paano to? Sige, sabihin ko na lang. Sumabit yung paa ni Adili. Kasi ang bilis eh. It happened fast. Hindi pa nila nire-replay noon. And doon pala, kamay pala ni Sahonya. I think he was trying to box out.
Hindi,
Tawa
sobrang
ako.
comedy bro.
Uh,
Nanonood ako sa cellphone. Na kasama ko yung family ko. Ah, hindi ako nagde-drive eh. Doon ako sa passenger seat. Nagulat sila, bigla lang ako tawa ng tawa. Sabi ko, bakit? Nireplay ko sa Facebook. Nirewind ko 30 seconds. Wala, benta. Pero solid Phil Basket so far. I think, do you think we need a separate episode for that Ateneo Lasal
we are
game?
going to have a separate episode for that
You
Ateneo Lasal
think, you
game.
think,
Maybe
you think?
tomorrow. Try natin.
I think
Try
kailangan natin
natin.
pag-usapan si Kian Baklaan, pare. No,
We
kailangan natin
have to.
pag-usapan si Kian Baklaan. But you have to look for people na nanood nung game na yon
I
Sadly,
watched.
si
Kahit,
Diego
kahit na yung dalawa.
Dario,
Ah, yeah,
si
we
Diego
can
Dario
try Jego.
was really kulit niya, bro. Sabi niya, huwag ka na pumunta sa ano sa trabaho mo, manood na lang ta. Sabi ko, gunggong ka ba? Kung tatanggalan pa ako ng trabaho dahil gusto mo manood ng Ateneo Lasal.
Sabi mo, hindi ako
Pero nanonood
milyonaryo
siya, di ba?
tulad mo,
Nanonood siya, tama
Jigs.
ba?
He was beside me. Or, di ba, sa gitna kami, kaming
Mm.
mga commentator, whatever. Nasa right side siya, para siyang, guest of honor. Tari mo pa siya. Tari mo pa si Jigs. Para
Feeling
siyang guest of
VIP talaga
honor.
eh. Feeling VIP talaga. Pero sige, invite ko
Shout
si
out to
Jegs
Jigs.
kung on trip niya, on trip niya. Pero ang kulit niya, sabi niya, um, bro, nood tayo. Buong hapon yun. Sabi ko, Jegs, may laro kami signal eh. Hindi nga pwede. Sabi niya, huwag
Ayan.
ka na pumunta dyan. Huwag ka na pumunta dyan. Pero sige, sige. Pag-usapan natin. I
It's
think
tomorrow, guys. We're gonna discuss it. We're gonna
it
find time
deserves
tomorrow.
a separate episode, but just very brief. Ang ganda ng laro. Kian Baclaan is solid. Ateneo has so much potential. Dami nilang surprise names. So, exciting dahil college basketball is slowly gaining traction again. 'Di ba? We're at the peak of college volleyball, pero pucha nagpaparamdam na ulit si college basketball. Dami mga bagong pangalan, mga bago na. So, sa separate episode, baka mawala na naman tayo on track lalo na
No
parang may
worry, guys.
mga.
Promise namin ni Juanits yan. We will have an episode for that one.
All right, but I think we have to go to our main topic for the night. Actually, nadala lang ako, no. Wala naman kami planong mag-episode, wala naman kami. Pero marami-raming nagme-message na shoot first people, and ako dahil marupok ako at sabi ko, I think if they want an episode, then probably we can do an episode. 'Di ba? Were you there? You weren't there, right?
I was live. I was live. I was watching live. Tapos, syempre, locked in ako. I would, yun yung I can confidently say from tip po, actually from pre-game pa lang. Naroon kami
Doon ka na.
dinner. Naka-locked in na. Pati asawa ko, no choice but to listen to the game. Pero,
Ako bro, nakakuha ko
it's credible.
nakakuha ko ng last minute tickets. No,
Yeah,
shout
because you
out sa
said nagpipila ka,
NLEX.
di ba? Ay, NLEX,
Hindi,
from the
sabi
NLEX
ko,
side. Okay.
yeah, kay Boss Ronald Delatres. Boss, thank you. Thank you po
Boss.
sa ticket. Wala lang, nakakuha ko ng text na ay, di, sabi ng dad ko, meron isa. One ticket, as in one ticket. Gusto mo ba? Wala kang kasama. Sabi ko, sure. Sure. So, sa
You don't
same
mind?
mindset. Wala,
Oh.
mindset. Alis ako 6. Sabi ko,
Did you
sakto
leave
lang yan.
early? Nagka-parking ka
Hindi,
ba? Di ba
6.
problema
Alis
mo
ako
last
6.
time?
Oh,
Wala
bro,
kang
drive
parking.
ako. Sabi ko, confident. Walang traffic.
Wala,
Walang
okay.
traffic.
Okay.
So, Katipunan, okay. Commonwealth, okay. Dating ako ng Cubao, walang traffic.
Mm.
Yun lang. Walang parking. Pucha,
Kasi lahat nasa
pare.
loob na, kaya walang
Wala,
traffic.
wala.
Kasi lahat
Lahat
nasa
nasa
loob.
lahat nasa loob na mukhang maaga lahat. So, I arrived second quarter. Not bad. Not bad. So, nag-text lang yung kapatid ko, si Jaggy. Sabi niya, shit, nice start to talk and text. So, lalo ako na-excite eh. Di ba? Lalo ako na-excite. Ganda ng
Oo,
laro. So,
oo.
I came in. The crowd was wild.
Puno till Genad, di
21,874.
ba? Or namimilig
Puno
mata
till
lang ako.
Gen
Genad,
Ad. That's
puno eh. Oo.
21,874. Ganda. Ganda, ganda. And ako, favorite ko pa rin pag nanonood ng live is number one, yung energy ng Hinebra. Number
Mm.
two, yung mga tito sa gilid. Alam mo yung mga maraming sabi-sabi?
Yung maraming
Hey,
comments.
oo, si
ah,
Tim ko, na ayaw pa ilabas si ganito. Si ano, nagkakalat na naman, parang tanga.
Kung ako yan, tinanggal ko na yan.
Di ba, di ba, di ba, yan.
Oo.
Exactly. Exactly. Ako, hindi ko na siya ma-hate eh. Hindi ko na siya ma-hate kasi parang ang tagal
Mm.
kong hindi nanood ng PBA live. Pero
Nakakamiss.
nung nagsimulang mag-comment yung mga nasa gilid ko, sabi ko, shit, na-miss ko to. Na-miss ko yung ganung mga commentary sa gilid. And sulit yung ano ko. Sulit yung punta ko doon.
Ako
Sulit.
rin, for me naman, hindi ako pumunta obviously, pero just, you wanna try to understand how the game is going, paano naka-lead yung ganyan, paano nakabos yung ganito, titignan mo yung yung sino yung mga 10 players on the court right now. Parang, alam mo naman, as us, just loving basketball and trying to analyze it, we just cannot turn off that part of our brain.
Let's go to the game. Let's go to the
Mm.
game. Talk and Text are champions. Congratulations.
Oh, hindi pala
Talk and
din
Text by
congrats
4
nga
just
pala.
to Talk and Text by 4 just to be specific. Pahukay natin kay Okay natin kay paring Juno yung clip kung saan
Mahukay
ako
na yan.
'di
Meron
ba?
transcriber
Pero
ata yan eh.
um oh, the game was controlled by talk and text.
Mm.
You had that feel that talk and text was controlling the game. Defensively, mas nadadala nila. So, hindi ever nakaalagwa ng malayo si Ginebra. They were
Mm.
getting the lead. But what I liked about talk and text was there was never, I was checking out the coaching staff of both benches. Mas kalmado ang bench ng talk and text. Mas kalmado. So, Chot was even when Hinebra went up 4 or up 6, Chot never panicked. Sila Coach Sandy kept calm, kuha lang ng board, balik. So meron ng gut feel talaga from that time na pucha sa Token Text mapupunta to. Sa Token Text mapupunta to. On the side of Hinebra, pag titignan mo yung Hinebra, medyo mas emotional si Coach Tim that game eh.
Also, Boss
Med,
AFC.
yeah, si Boss Al Francis, bro, nakita ko siyang magwala kay Mav. The three
Twice.
turnovers. Two ba?
Twice.
Two turnovers ba yun? O three?
I mean, he really reacted to the mistakes of Mav twice. I mean, like talagang ramdam mo na he was really pissed. Alam mo yung nagsastop ng paa
Hmm.
sa galit. Tapos nag-turn his back. Na alam kong, oh
Kitang-kita.
shit.
Kitang-kita ba sa TV? Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko
Kita.
alam. But
There was
kita talaga
also,
live. Go, go.
may gumawa rin na reel when it's na nag-zoom in doon sa nung nagagalit si Boss AFC when Mav had got the ball stolen by Nambatak. And I think that was the final straw kay Boss Al Francis. And then, yun yung time ata na kunyari not sure kung totoong na-injure ba talaga si Mav, ah. But
Ayoko rin. Baka naman meron.
baka
Baka naman
meron.
meron. Baka
Baka
naman
meron. But he
meron,
went
di ba? Ayaw naman natin,
for his elbow and had something there nung by the PT staff. So who knew, right? Like who knows? Kasi basta yun, basta yun.
Basketball-wise, pare, crucial.
It is
Crucial
crucial. It's fourth
yung,
quarter. Yeah.
na-feel ko na pinasok siya. Nung pinasok si Mav, I already had this feel na medyo magsa-struggle offensively.
Oh,
Yung
talaga?
Hinebra.
Na-feel mo
But
yan?
they
Okay.
wanted ng physicality eh. Kay RHJ para may switch, 'di ba? May switchability.
Mm.
'Di ba? Medyo magkaroon ng which kind of worked. Hindi naman talaga masyadong scorer si RHJ eh. He was
Mm-mm.
not at his best scoring game. But dun mo rin nakita that offensively, hinahanap ni Hinebra, who are we going to? 'Di ba? And Mav kind of wanted to step up. Baka kaya ko magpakita. Pero from the body language, parang half-hearted kasi yung mga attacks ni Mav eh. So, that kind of led to the turnovers na crucial. No? So, I think I think I think Mav still has the talent naman to be in that situation in the fourth quarter na game 7. Parang medyo tentative lang siya sa movements niya for some reason that game. Siguro pressure, maybe 'di ba? Maraming mental na yan eh. But it was big. Those
It
were
was
very
big,
very
yeah.
big Those were very very big
I think for my memory, when it's three
turnovers.
and a half minutes ata, yung kay Mav na yun. Basta 3 minute mark yun eh. You would say it's also crucial kasi ate yun yung time na it was really tight. A game decided by 2, 3 points. Buti na lang na overtime, diba? They were able,
Mm.
because of that shot by Brownlee over Varilla, which we're gonna go to in a bit. Pero si Mav, in a way, hard to say, but medyo naging lason siya for the negative kind of lason, while si Kobontin yung positive kind that he brought for TNT. But yeah, that happens. Sayang nga lang it happened in game 7. Pero bro, si ano din naman, Jamie Malonzo didn't contribute much
Yan.
at all.
Hindi masyadong na spotlight because si Mav
Mm.
medyo malaki yung but Jamie was struggling.
Zero
Jamie was
points.
struggling. Three naman. Three ata.
Ay,
Zero ba?
sorry.
Three.
Wait.
Zero,
Clarify ko
three.
lang. Ayoko
Sige.
mabash eh. Wait.
Pero yeah, hindi mo mararamdaman yung offensive impact ni Jamie. Hindi
Ito,
mo
and it's
mararamdaman yung
loading.
offensive. Jamie was
Yeah, two
not
pala. 2 points, 6
2
rebounds.
points.
Mm-mm.
So makita mo na medyo struggling offensively. Naghahanap ng option yung yung Ginebra
Yeah.
on their offense. Good that even for a short time stepped up big. Si RJ.
He did, yeah.
'Di ba?
He was a plus 16.
Pinag-uusapan natin sinong mag-aano eh. Pero hinahanap na actually ng fans si RJ. Yung
Mm.
side ko, medyo sa Patron, yung side ko kasi mix ng talk and text tsaka Hinebra eh.
Parang
Kaya
nandun
ang
ka sa parang
hirap.
ano, yung mix na yung parang borderline ng
Oo,
fans
nasa
ang hati.
borderline ka eh. So,
Saya nun, yun yung best part for me. Yung rinig
oo,
mo yung
pero
boat na ano.
hindi mo alam kung paano ka. Well, ako naman, wala naman akong chinicheer.
Wala naman.
Wala naman akong chinicheer. So,
Nakaganon ka lang siguro.
enjoy lang ako. Hindi eh, siguro weirdong-weirdo yung tao eh. Gusto ko lang ng magandang basketball. Papalakpak ako sa Hinebra. Ang ganda nung galaw ni RJ doon sa drive niya.
Oo,
Palakpak ako. Ang ganda nung tres ni Gubuntin. Palakpak din ako. So, hindi, enjoy lang talaga ako nung gabi na yun. But talking about RJ,
Mm.
you needed that presence eh. You needed that presence from RJ. Pero on the defensive end, inahatake siya ng talk and text eh.
Target siya. Tinatarget
So,
talaga siya sa switches.
tinatarget siya. And ang ganda nung specific game plan ng talk and text. Pag nakikita nila na, meron tayong advantage dito, let's go to that. Let's go to that. Always reads eh. It was not very specific options. They stuck with reads. And one of the reads they had was, kung kaya na atakin si RJ, atakin si RJ. Kaya gumana. Kaya gumana yung ano
Mm.
na yun. But on the side of Coach Tim, kailangan talaga niya ng offensive firepower eh. 'Di ba? He lost it from Jamie, he lost it from Mav. Holt played pretty well at
Alam mo
least.
yung could have changed this game? Troy Rosario, 11 minutes only.
Mm.
Nakita mo yung picture ng ankle injury niya?
Oh,
Pre,
bro.
parang ligament tears yung mga ganong kind. Yung may violet na...
Ini-injection lang 'yun.
Oo.
Ini-injection 'yun.
Troy could have helped. Troy could have been the Glenn Cobuntin of Hinebra, di ba? We know how Troy can
X
contribute sa
factor.
rebounds, putbacks, can give you easily 10 points. Pero wala, bumibigyan na talaga yung ankle and I think he really needs to rehab that kasi you think pipilitin nila yan for All Filipino Cup which starts on April 4? I don't think
Hindi.
we're gonna see Troy
I don't think they're gonna I don't think they're gonna
risk his
risk
career,
it.
no?
Medyo
Mhm.
mahirap, medyo mahirap. So, siguro the next 2 to 3 weeks at least. 3 weeks
You
siguro
think
rest
so?
for
2 to 3 weeks is
Troy.
fine.
Hindi,
Tingnan
feeling ko
natin.
naman hindi rin bibigyan agad ng game yan. Papapahingahin muna for a few weeks yung Talk and Text and Hinebra. So maybe when they start, Troy would probably miss 1 to 2 games, which is a good time for someone else to for someone else to step up.
You think si Maya in the All Filipino Cup will get to see Maya playing more consistent minutes, 15 to 20 minutes? You think so? Okay na siya,
Mm,
naglalaro na siya eh. Or kasi feel ko, hindi siya masyado binababad ngayon kasi baka okay, nire-ready na lang for the All Filipino Cup. Ayaw naman masyado ibabad masyado dito. Bibiglain mo yung katawan niya in a final series.
well, hindi ko pa kasi matansya si
Si Maya.
Jeremiah. I mean, hindi
Okay.
ko pang I haven't seen him play for a long time, no? So it's hard to say. He will get some burn. He will get some burn. Mapanigurado yan.
Oh.
Minuto. But you don't know if it's a burn where you get the minutes down the road. No? One guy I think could have helped Hinebra,
Mm.
that could have had the impact, especially in a game like that where it's physical and defensive. I don't know why hindi masyadong nagamit si Nards.
Nards Pinto. Kailangan mo ng ganun. Kailangan mo ng dogs.
Hindi
Kailangan
ko,
mo ng role players.
yes, you need the dogs. Kailangan
Kailangan
mo
mo ng
yung dog.
dogs.
Exactly the way that Kubuntin did. Mamaya natin
Oh.
pag-usapan si Kubuntin.
Yeah, you'll have
Mamaya
his
natin pag-usapan si
flowers.
Kubuntin. Pero, di ba, you kind of feel na bakit nga ba hindi nagamit si Nards? Was it because shooting? Was it because you wanted to give more time for the offensive guys? Pero
Mm.
feeling ko in that series, pasok perfect si Nards eh. 'Di ba? Yung physicality na binibigay niya, yung intensity, yung stability. 'Di ba? Lalo na kung kailangan mo ng defense, pasok mo si
Lalo
Nards.
na kay Batak, yun yung perfect guard to put. You
Yun.
put
'Di ba? Yung
Nards
stable,
Pinto. Try to
na
get in his head.
try to get in his head.
Oh.
That was a question. Tinitingnan ko si Nards eh. Si
Wala.
Mikey, ka-chat ko si Mikey nung ang
Nanonood ba
feeling
si
ni
Mike's?
Mikey, no, just sa TV.
Okay.
Ang feeling dapat niya parang ipasok si LA.
Oh,
Pero
okay.
sabi ko,
Siya
Mike's,
naman LA.
oo, pero
Yung
sabi ko,
yung
Mike's, ang payat talaga ni LA ngayon eh. I don't know kung 100% na. to compete
from
in
the
that
treatment.
level. But he
Yeah.
was there. He was part of the lineup loaded. Pero baka lang hindi pa kaya ng physicality kasi highly defensive yung ball game eh. Tapos
Mm.
yung iba kong mga kaibigan, feeling nila
Oh,
si Ku
sila
could
naman,
have
Ralph Koo, yung ano
contributed.
nila. Oh,
But
without
ako feeling
Troy.
ko feeling ko kasi si Ralph Koo uh would only be a three guy eh, just to stretch out the floor. But
And
he
operating from the high post. Kasi secondary
uh
playmaker rin si Ralph Koo din eh. I think he's
di ba
composed.
magaling pumasa.
Magaling
Magaling po.
pumasa. I feel like he could have helped as well.
Yeah, but ang feeling ko atakihin physically. Feeling ko ihahanapin yung mismatch either kay Poy, kay Kelly, o kay RHJ to attack Ralph Koo. So, I get that point. Yun nga, kaya malaki yung question mark ko na sayang si Nards. Sayang
Yeah,
si
Nards
Nards
could have helped.
na baka nakapag ano. I mean, correct me, Hinebra fans baka injured, baka may sakit, hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam. But that was my question. Where was Nards?
Exactly. Kasi tingnan mo naman yung stats ni Nambatak, no? 22 points, 4 assists, 4 three-pointers, 3 steals, and cash like finals MVP di ba?
Mm.
I felt like he didn't receive much. Well, of course, again, ano yan, game plan ng Hinebra, but you still needed that extra edge that Inards Pinto can give you. So
Yeah.
that was also a head scratcher. At least for me, for us. Hindi namin kini-question si Coach Tim. At least for us lang, hindi lang namin naiintindihan bakit.
Well, baka there are answers. Di mo natin makita yung
Yeah.
Hinebra dugout and bench, di ba,
Yeah,
in
we don't see their
trainings.
practices as well.
Right? But sabi nga ni Coach Tim, he doesn't like losing. He's not a very good loser. So, I'm sure everybody's still hurting. But let's talk about the champs.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the champs. Ako unahin ko muna for tonight. I think he really needs his flowers. Glenn Kubuntin.
Player of the game.
Glenn Kubuntin, pare, everything he did was right. Everything. Yung yung defense niya, sobrang underrated. Except for that one flop.
Ay, ay,
Tawang-tawa ako. Tawang-tawa
except for
ako.
that one flop. Oh,
Nag-flop siya. Tumingin siya kay Coach Chot. Nagsumbong. Si Coach Chot, tahimik yung crowd. Flop talaga!
flop
Sorry
talaga.
na lang si Glenn. Sorry na lang si Glenn eh. Sorry na lang si Glenn.
Narinig mo?
But,
Flop talaga.
si Coach Chot, wala siyang binibaby. Merong one time si Poy, feeling niya tinamaan siya dito. Walang foul! Bumaba ka! Sorry
Ano
sila.
pa?
So,
Ano pa?
so si Coach Chot was really, parang ang gusto lang siguro ni Coach Chot, focus ka lang. Hayaan mo na yung mga ref. 'Di ba? Baka mawala pa yung ano mo eh, baka mawala ka pa dun sa focus mo sa laro.
Yeah.
So,
Oo.
props to but to Glenn, pare, the impact defensively. Pinagod niya si Brownlee eh. 'Di ba? Pagod na pagod si Brownlee
He
the whole
was for
series
sure.
and in game 7. So, yung Kubuntin parang hindi kasi napapagod, yun yung nakakainis eh.
Hindi ka napapagod.
Alam mo yung
Eh,
pinressure ka na pa, tapos fresh pa rin yung fresh pa rin from the fourth quarter, tapos fresh pa yung mukha,
very
nakangiti
NU
pa.
Bulldog na Coach Eric Altamirano bred. Mga ganyan mga
Yo,
NU Bulldog si
yes.
Coach E.
Parang 2014 ba sila nag-champion?
Oh,
2014 o
basta tinalo
2015?
nila si Manong noon. I think they beat Ateneo no for, 'di ba? I think they were 1 versus 4 tapos winit nila
Mm.
Ateneo. Sabi ko, shit, lakas ano na tong NU to. Ito Ateneo mag-champion. With Aroga, 'di ba? Kabuntin,
Aroga and Troy.
Aroga, and Troy, 'di ba?
And Troy.
What a team. What a team.
That was post Bobby Ray, the first year without Bobby
Who's
Ray.
Bobby Ray? Tapos sila nag-champions? Ha?
Pero 'di ba, grabe yung Glenn.
Yung,
Ako
yung ano niya,
gets ko na
fadeaway
yung ano
jumper
eh.
niya na one hits. Sabi ko,
Oh,
uy, uy,
bro.
uy, pumasok!
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko eh. Yung defense gets mo na eh.
Mm,
Ka talaga yan, role niya yan.
mm.
Role niya yan. Yung rebounding, sige.
Yun
Dog eh.
din.
Dog mentality eh. Dog
Akin
mentality.
na yan.
Parang anong nakikita ko dito eh. Parang PJ Tucker role eh. 'Di ba? Sa mga
Yeah,
finals
PJ
team ni
Tucker
PJ
role.
Tucker.
Mm.
Pero yung mga tres, tsaka yung mga drive niya nung fourth quarter na pure guts,
Di ba?
pure tapang. 'Di ba? Yung hindi naman sa'yo yung green light talaga. You're not the main scorer. But every time he was open, banat eh. Laban. Pucha, dun ka bilib.
Ayun nga,
Dun
one
ka
hits,
bilib.
it looked like a guy who was just really enjoying playing basketball. Yun yung itsura niya. Ngiti siya, parang, oh,
Yes.
yes, playing the fire. Hindi siya kinakabahan. He was
Mm.
just basking in the moment. Kaya I think for him, hindi siya na-pressure because he just
Yun.
loves being in that environment.
I never saw the pressure in his eyes. Never.
Mm.
That whole game.
Laging nakangiti.
That whole game. Grabe. Grabe.
Also poetic justice, no? Eram to Kobontin in the corner. Three, it's like, oy! Ano yan ah? Para kailan lang,
Oo
nag-away
nga,
kayo ah.
fuck, di ko naisip yun.
Di ba?
Hindi ko
Poetic
naisip
justice.
yun.
Sabi ko,
Hand
oy!
off pa eh. Hand off
Handoff
to a
pa.
screen. Hand off to a
Eram
screen.
to Kobontin. Sabi ko, Eram to Kobontin. Pasok yung
Wala
tres.
naman yun.
Sabi ko,
Wala naman niya. Wala naman yan. No?
di ba
Ano
kaya
lang
nga
yun?
poetic justice, natutuwa lang ako. Kasi mahilig sa storyline, yun ang mga gano'n. Mga WWE kind of storyline. Funny lang. Pero mag-ano
That
naman,
was
magbayad
huge.
naman mga
That
yan.
was huge. And one more guy that really stepped up, of course, yung finals MVP, si Ray.
Oo,
But we
Papa
were
Ray.
talking about already the impact of Ray, gaano kabigat, gaano kakailangan. Pero next level eh. Next level. You would never think that he would explode like this after Jason Castro.
Yeah.
Diba? Siguro you would think he would score probably 10, 11, 12. Okay na yun, step up na yun. Step up rin na yun. But to score 22 a game, tama ba? 22, 23.
23.
23 a game. That is more than his averages on any team he played for.
Alam mo, Juanito, dagdag ko
Diba?
lang rin to. No? After game 3 ata, I saw from one of my comments na imposible na, ito yung comment hindi ako nagsasabi nito. I saw a comment, few comments even, saying na imposible ma-backup ni Ray yung ginawa niya. He's bound to go down. Pucha, pataas na pataas yung scoring ni Dambatak. Sabi ko, guys, I don't think makikita na lang yung Dambatak of old. Ibang Dambatak na to under
Iba,
Coach Chot.
iba, iba, locked in.
Mm.
Locked in. Tapos meron siyang mentality na wala si Jason, ako to.
Which one? Ano to?
Yung mindset niya na next man up.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Iba
Jason's
nga.
not here. RHJ is not really gonna be the best scoring import. 'Di ba?
Turuan ko to.
He's
Mm.
more of a Swiss Army knife na lahat
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
gagawin for you but hindi
Mm.
talaga siya yung talagang scorer. Si Ray talaga yung nag-step up as that number one option eh.
Mm.
Alongside Calvin. But Calvin
Exactly.
struggled a little bit in game 7. Second half na pumutok. But it
Mm.
was Ray's first half kaya nakaalagwa ng onti si Token Tex.
Mm.
And then nung second half, wala eh. He would get that ball. He wanted that ball. And
Definitely.
props then to Coach Chot for giving him the go signal. The green
Grabe
light
rin mabigay tiwala.
to be you. I think sabi din ni Ray, talagang inalalayan siya ni Jason
Yeah, I think
at
I read
finals.
that spin article bata yan. O parang I read that na Kuya Jason daw was really instrumental to how he performed in this series.
And
And
to think may pinagdadaanan pa yan si Ray.
ay oo,
Di ba?
may pinagdadaanan pa yan. Pero kala mo walang
Pinagdadaanan pa yan.
pinagdadaanan.
Parang
Pinag-joke
wala.
time pa nga yan sa press con, di
Ba,
ba?
ginagawa niya. I mean, siguro naging extra motivation niya yun.
Oo.
Naging extra fire niya. Pero meron kasing mga players na kung ganun yung mabigat na dinadaanan,
Wala pangit laro,
wala na
bro.
sa
Alam mong
sarili yan
off,
eh.
wala na.
Diba?
Nakaupo na
Wala na
siguro,
sa
be-bench
sarili.
na yan.
I would know, bro. I'm in the professional sports world, pare. Pag yung mga player ko na nawala sa sarili, kailangan ko ng
Ako
kausapin ng
usapin, parang
ano.
okay ka lang, may nangyari ba? Gaganon
Oo,
ka.
di ba? And
Oo.
then I have to straighten out how do I balance out yung personal life nito to his professional life.
May team
Di ba?
psychologist ba ang Signal?
I do have a sports psychologist.
Oh, galing.
Meron.
Advanced na
Meron
advanced.
yung team ko.
Nice.
So, just to guide them. Di ba? But
Great.
Ray was a total different beast. A total different beast. So shout out paring Ray. Alam ko ano nang shoot first 'yan. Alam ko loyal lang shoot first 'yan. So brother, congrats from the shoot first family, Hinebra fan man o
Congrats, Ray.
well actually alam mo one thing I love about Ray, well loved siya. Hindi siya hini-hate ng Hinebra fans.
Ay, yeah,
Di ko
wala
alam kung
akong, oo.
kung wala lang ako nababasa.
I don't see much. I don't see much. Alam mo naman target ng Hinebra, bro. Si Poyero
Si
lang
Poy,
naman
si
target.
Poy,
Yan lang naman
si
eh.
Poy. Si
Oo.
Coach Chot, ah yun, basically yun yung dalawang target ng Hinebra fans. Kaya hindi mo rin masyado talagang ma-hate si Ray eh. So hard to hate Ray.
And everybody just played. to what they know, no? Hindi sila masyado
Mm.
tumiwalag. It was just a matter of just making your shots. Kasi alam mo na, pag Game 7, di ba, when it's just, you just gotta make your shots, tapo mo na lahat ng strategy, alam na nila
Yes.
lahat ng schemes na yan. It's just a matter of who will just play through the pressure. Yun na yun. That's Game 7.
It's a mental game. It's a
Mental
mental
game
game.
na
And
yan.
obviously Talk and Text won that mental game. Now, props to the players, props to the coaching staff. I
Mm-mm.
think hindi natin masyadong nababanggit. But when I was watching Coach Yuri, Coach Sandy, Coach Josh
Mm-mm.
Reyes, ang ganda nung dynamic nila sa bench. Ang ganda nung
Bagay, bagay.
dynamic. They knew the roles that they had to do. Coach Sandy, taga-kalma. Si
Mm.
Coach Josh, yan ang laging kausap ni Coach Chot in terms of the game plan. So para silang merong individual roles talaga to make it work, to make it function. Lagi nababanggit yung ano eh. Lagi nababanggit. We're giving flowers to Glenn. We're giving flowers to Ray. We're giving flowers even to Kelly, to RHJ. But I think this coaching staff deserves their flowers too. They did terrific in that 7 game series.
Yeah, and then yeah, bihira lang talagang pag-usapan coaching staff ng TNT. Alam mo naman si Coach Shot. Uh, ano ba tawag dito? Unfair yung ibang mga PBA fans sa kanya, but you gotta give it to him. 11th title, and he wouldn't be able to do it without the staff that he has. Nakita mo at times si Coach Josh yung nag-ano ng play. Di ba?
Yes.
And I think Coach Tim trusts Coach Josh to make some plays for Gilas as well. I think nag-viral yun before na it was Josh just writing the plays. So, not surprised. And they need their props as
Oh,
well.
wala.
Oh, which one? Hello?
Naglag ka ng saglit. I don't know if
Naglag
it's
ako.
mine or yours.
Okay na ba? Narinig kita.
Ayan.
Narinig mo ako?
Naglalag
Okay
ka
na
ng
ba?
konti.
Really? Ngayon. Hindi, kakakat ko
Ano mo
naman
na
to.
lang. Ma-edit mo ba yan?
Oh.
Ma-edit mo ba yan?
Oh, syempre. Kaya ko to. Syempre, of course, kakat ko to.
Alright. Pero nawala-wala lang si Nix ng konti. But
Okay, okay. Okay na.
I think my bigger question mark now is how big does how does Ray step up in an all Filipino setup?
Mm.
I am so curious how that's gonna happen. Kasi ang ganda ngayon ng dynamic because the eyes are on RHJ.
Mm.
Si Ray has this ability to ano eh to be secondary,
Yeah.
'di ba? So complementary. But now that ang mata ngayon ng mga defenses are gonna be now on Ray and Calvin, that's gonna be a different ano, and they're trying to go for the grand slam, 'di ba?
Mm.
So that's gonna be a total different topic altogether. But still, I think we want to congratulate itong Talk and Text. No? It's been a terrific 7 game series. Batiin lang natin, this has been one of my favorite PBA finals ever.
Same here
No,
when it's been a while since I enjoyed the series like this. Di ko nga ma-pinpoint anong last. Na-enjoy ko yung Hinebra Bay Area pero iba tong TNT
iba to.
Hinebra, pokpokan to na every game. Diba? It's like that. Kasi dun sa, I remember TNT, Hinebra and Bay Area, blowout game, blowout to. Parang
Mm.
nagbabawi-bawi yan sana ng
Palihan,
blowout
palihan,
games
palihan.
from my memory. But nonetheless, I'm excited for the All Filipino ko. Totoo ako, April 4 na. Kala ko in 2 weeks pa. It's next week na pala. But early predictions uh for the All Filipino, at least in terms of how TNT will perform, you think they're a top 4 team without a Jason Castro? I'm not sure sa status ni BGR, no?
Mm.
Pero, yung ganun. Yung mga prediction lang na top 4, top 5, 'di ba?
Feeling
What do you
ko
think?
they're still gonna be top 2.
Top
Diyan pa
2.
rin.
Okay.
Lalo na ngayon,
TNT.
mataas yung spirits. I think they're gonna make a
Mm.
move somewhere down the road. They're gonna add one guy, maybe make a trade, maybe sign somebody na ano, wag na nila galawin yung mga tao. Kinukuha si Bolik sa atin sa NLEX eh. Wag niyo na kaming galawin sa
Oo
NLEX.
nga, okay na kami,
Wag niyo na
boss.
kaming galawin doon.
Please.
Mananahimik na si Bolik sa NLEX eh. But I think they're gonna be top 2. I think Ginebra still gonna be there at the top 3. I think San Miguel makes a comeback. They're healthier. They're still one of the strongest lineup wise. And I think Converge will surprise. Converge and Rain or Shine. So I think those are the top 5 teams. I think Magnolia will still struggle. Sorry, I'm not a hater. I think without a major move, medyo magsa-struggle pa rin yung Magnolia. So, yun. I think that's my top five for now, early on. No, Talk and Text, San Miguel, Ginebra, Converge, Rain or Shine.
Yeah, I wouldn't change that to be honest. Siguro ang mag-iiba lang in terms of yung order. Pero that's
Ah,
my five as well. It's just a matter of pwede mag-swap pin, eh. Pwede SMB
mm.
una, pwede TNT, pwede biglang Hinebra, di ba? You'll never
Sana
know.
NLEX, I mean,
Ay,
kami sana.
syempre, sana.
Realistic lang kami dito.
Gusto ko ng bonus.
'Di ba?
Pero
So,
alam na, ako, quarterfinals lang when I'm good. Like, good job, boys.
uh,
Sana
oh,
mag-semifinals naman
we
tayo.
even forgot Meralco, but I think Meralco's gonna end at number
Meralco will
six.
be there. Yes, Meralco will be
Meralco, I
there.
think medyo struggling lang sila with a lot of injuries sa
Pero
past
if
season eh.
Alain Maliksi is there, I feel like Meralco's top three. With an Alain Maliksi, he just changes so much. He adds so
Oo.
much for Meralco. Kaya sila
But yeah,
nag-champion
they
nung
haven't
against
been
NCB
healthy eh.
nun.
They haven't been healthy.
Which
So,
has been their issue, yeah.
alam mo, na-excite na tayo. I think this deserves another episode
Ay, iba
right
episode
before
na,
the
yeah,
season.
yeah.
Or on the first week. On the first week ulit ng ano. And ayain na natin, pare.
Hmm.
Parang kailangan na natin magaya ng mga bagong ano, ng mga kailangan na natin sila buhayin. Si Mikey, si Javi,
Yeah,
parang
we gotta...
nakakamiss na, namimiss ko lang sila.
Teka lang, hinahanap ko dito yung isang pa-shoutout. Ayoko. May gusto
Go, go, go,
magpa-shoutout
go.
sa atin eh, bago tayo mag-end. Sige, go lang.
All right, sige, I'll go first.
Oo.
First, I want to thank everybody for the re-support. Parang somehow I felt that medyo nabubuhay ulit yung community sa YouTube, sa ano. So with that, guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe dito sa ating YouTube. We hope that we get the 100,000 followers maybe this year. Who knows? Right?
Mm-mm.
Number two, kung wala pa kayo sa Shoot First community, sa
Mm-mm.
Facebook group, make sure to add yourself there because we talk a lot of basketball. Kengkoy man, seryoso man, we really keep it light there in the community. And of course, do not forget to follow us at Nico Rocha and at Juanito Gregorio on our personal accounts. And buhayin natin to, guys. We're enjoying this. We're enjoying the rerun. We're enjoying the second life. Nangati lang talaga kami and nagulat ako na ang ganda pa rin talaga. I mean, iba pa rin yung suporta ng community natin. Solid kayo, guys. And
Oh, iba ang shoot
sorry,
first talaga, bro.
I'm planning on making the first papawis
Shoot first
very
community.
very soon. So
Woo!
sa mga taga Metro Manila, wag naman muna eh. May nag-message sa akin kung pwede daw ako gumawa sa Bulacan.
Wala
Malayo-layo
ka!
pa yun. Simulan muna natin ng maliit, guys. Simulan muna natin ng maliit. Sa Metro Manila, we'll have our very first Shoot First Papawis very soon. So, yun. I'll see you guys.
Ito, shoutout kay Noel Angelo Albesa. Gustong-gusto niya magpa-shoutout sa Shoot First Pod. Fan since
What's up,
Banyo
Noel?
Boys pa.
Thank you.
Ayun, for those
Kanino,
who want,
kanino?
ever since Banyo Boys pa daw siya nanonood. So it's been that
Solid.
long. Talagang nagsimula talaga from the ground up. But yun lang naman. Para sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout, let us know sa comments for next time. Para, ano diba,
We got you guys.
ano namin kayo, bigyan namin kayo ng rightful shoutout. Ikaw, Nitz, goods ka na?
Yeah, we're good, pare. And hopefully we can talk about Ateneo Lasal soon. That was a great
Mm-mm.
game, but that deserves a whole new episode.
We will have that episode soon. We promise you guys. On behalf of Shoot First, Nico Rocha here with Juanitz. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.